Welcome to the recorded demo video of Advertisement Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the admin login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting admin login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the advertisement module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides application summaries on the advertisement and market home page, including total applications, approved applications, rejected applications, and pending applications. To apply for an advertisement, select the Apply Advertisement option on the JSK dashboard. Under the Apply Advertisement section, the following options will be displayed: Self-advertisement, Movable advertisement, Private land, Register agency. To apply for private land advertisement, select Private land under the Apply Advertisement option to access the Private land advertisement application form. The displayed application form will contain the necessary details to guide the user during the application process. The user must fill in all the required details in the registration form, including license from date, license to date, applicant name, father's name, residence address, residence ward number, permanent address, permanent ward number, holding number, mobile number, Aadhaar number, email, entity name, entity address, entity ward number, GST number, brand display name, brand display address, total display area, display type, holding number of brand display type, number of hoarding, trade license number, installation location, longitude and latitude are optional fields. Typology type. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. The displayed screen will show the necessary document-related details in the form to guide the user during the process. In this step, the user must upload the required documents, which include Aadhaar card, trade license, GPS map camera, holding number, GST, brand display application form. To upload the Aadhaar document, click on the Choose File button under the Aadhaar card option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the trade license, click on the Choose File button under the Trade License option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the GPS map camera, click on the Choose File button under the GPS map camera option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the holding number, click on the Choose File button under the Holding Number option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the GST, click on the Choose File button under the GST option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the brand display, click on the Choose File button under the Brand Display option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the application form, click on the Choose File button under the Application Form option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. After uploading all the required documents, click the Save and Next button to proceed. Once the application is completed, all the details will be displayed. Tick the I consent checkbox, then click the Submit button to complete the final submission. A confirmation will be displayed indicating that the application has been submitted successfully, along with the application number. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.